Hi everyone, Jean Lurson here. This week I want to talk about color vibration. You can get some very interesting results on your paintings by knowing how to create color vibrations. What I mean by color vibration is that it's colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel. When used next to each other in a painting at the same value, and that means the darkness or lightness of the color, but it has to be the same value. That's when you get color vibration. So let's just do a little demonstration. I'm going to take some indanthrone blue, thing there, and I'm going to take some transparent pearl orange and place that below, and we want to try and get the same value. And you can see that you will get this color vibration if you mix the two colors. When you mix colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel, you get grays, sometimes muddy grays, sometimes nice interesting grays. But I'm trying to just keep the same values of these two colors. And there's a little bit of run because I've got my board at an angle of the blue running into the orange, but it's not going to go all the way down. It just creates some nice texture there. Add a row of trees to create something out of it. And already the blue is drying there at a lighter rate than the orange, so I'm just going to add some more blue to keep that color vibration going. And I should have waited for that to dry a little bit. There. So that's what I meant by color vibration. Now you can do this with green and red, which are opposite each other on the color wheel. I have some perylene green here. This is a beautiful color. I love perylene green. It's a cool color, but it's really lovely. I really like it. And you could do that with a red. I'm going to use a cadmium red, which is not transparent. It's opaque, but see, you get this really bright vibration, red and green. Let's try a purple and a yellow. I've got quinacridone purple here. I'm just going to put that down. It's quite a vibrant color. And I'm going to use some Windsor yellow. Wow, look at that. Maybe you can see what I'm talking about with color vibration. It's good to have the knowledge of complements and how they react with each other. So I just want to show you a few examples of how I use color vibration in my paintings. This painting has the blue-green color here and the red-orange color here, and it worked very well together. That's why I wanted to show you how you can use the colors that are opposite each other to create a very appealing painting. This one is another one where I used the green and the red. It's more like a red-orange, but it really did work well. And here's your blues and oranges together, which made a very pleasing painting. The blue is a very interesting blue. It's by Daniel Smith and it's called Kyanite Genuine, and it actually has a metallic finish to it, which you can't see here on a printout on a regular piece of paper. Unfortunately, I don't have the original anymore because it's sold. This orange is a lovely orange, also by Daniel Smith, called Transparent Pearl Orange, and I really liked the combination of these two colors together. And then this is just a very subtle use of opposites where I've used a violet color with yellow, which created a very appealing but soothing painting. So I just wanted to give you an idea of how you can use these colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel. So I hope you've enjoyed this little demonstration, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I just want to let you all know that I'm still working very hard on completing my next course in abstract landscapes. It's taken me longer than expected because I wasn't happy with some of the sections, and I want to do them over because I want to make this the best course that I can. But I just want to let you know that everyone who has signed up for my mailing list will get a notification when the course goes live. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.